Exercise number 2, pass journal entry for the following transaction and post them to the ledger. August 2017 la Dharma started business with cash. அப்படின்னா first அன்னைக்கு cash comes in, so cash account debit to Dharma's capital. Dharma's capital value being 70,000 rupees. Value being 70,000 rupees. Sixth அன்னைக்கு cash received from Ganesan, cash comes in, so cash account debit. யார் கொடுக்குறாருன்னா கணேசன், so Ganeshan account credit the giver, okay, 10,000. Rent account 10th, rent paid, rent account debit to cash account, the value being 3,000, and received commission from Anand. So we receive the money. Anand is not a matter for us, commission only, no. So cash account debit எதுக்காக வருது? கமிஷனுக்காக, commission account, okay. Value being 5,000 rupees. We got it now. journal entry போட்டாச்சு, ledger போட போறேன் இப்போ இதுக்கு. Okay, I'm going to prepare the ledger here, ledger book. In ledger book I'm going to open the cash account first. Debit side la irukku, so debit side la first August 17 அன்னைக்கு to Dharma's capital or capital account, simply capital account, the value being 70,000. And again here is also one more cash on 6th August to Ganesan, இல்லையா, Ganesan account, value being 10,000. Again here cash is in the credit side, 10th August 17 அன்னைக்கு buy for rent account, value being 3,000. And then again here is also one more cash to commission, debit side la irukku, so 20th August அன்னைக்கு to commission received, commission 5,000 rupees. That's all. Tally பண்ண போறேன். 85,000 rupees, 85,000 rupees, 82,000 rupees is the balance as on the month end 31st August 17 அன்னைக்கு by balance carried on, by balance carried on. Next day 1917 அன்னைக்கு to balance brought down, to balance brought down, value being 82,000 rupees. We got it now. Dharma's capital account is the next account. Dharma's capital account, by cash 1817 அன்னைக்கு by cash account, value being 70. We have only one account here, only one item, so இதோட க்ளோஸ் பண்ணிக்கலாம். 70 கிரெடிட் சைடில் ஜாஸ்தி இருக்கு. இது என்ன பேலன்ஸ்? டெபிட் பேலன்ஸ். ஓகே, 31st August 17 அன்னைக்கு to balance carry down being 70. 1st November 17 அன்னைக்கு, செப்டம்பர் சார், 1st September 17 அன்னைக்கு by balance brought down being 70. We have done this. The next one will be Ganeshan account, Ganeshan account, okay. In Ganeshan account credit side la irukku, 6th August 17 அன்னைக்கு by opposite side என்ன இருக்கு? By cash, by cash account, value being 10,000, only one item, so comfortable tally பண்ணிரலாம். 10,000 rupees, right? By the year end it is nothing but the balance, but by the month end, right? To balance carry down 10,000. Next period beginning 1/9/17 அன்னைக்கு it becomes balance brought down. Credit side இருக்கிறனால இது வந்து credit balance, இதுவும் credit balance, right? Balance brought down எந்த சைடு இருக்கோ அந்த சைடு பேலன்ஸ் தான் அந்த பர்டிகுலர் அக்கௌண்ட். கணேசன் என்ன அக்கௌண்ட் அப்படின்னு சொன்னாக்க கிரெடிட் பேலன்ஸ். என்ன பேலன்ஸ்? கிரெடிட் பேலன்ஸ். தர்மா கிரெடிட் பேலன்ஸ். லெஜர் இது கேஷ். கேஷ் அக்கௌண்ட் என்ன பேலன்ஸ்னு சொன்னால் டெபிட் பேலன்ஸ். and balance brought down is in the debit side. Clear? Now next, commission account. Commission account. Okay, in commission account balance is in the credit side, so I would write the value in the credit side. Okay, 20/8/17 அன்னைக்கு by cash account, the value being 5,000 rupees. That's all. We can close this. Tally பண்ணிரலாம். 5,000 rupees. So by the month end 31/8/17 அன்னைக்கு to balance carried on 5,000 rupees. 1/9/17 அன்னைக்கு this is nothing but balance brought down, the balance being 5,000 rupees. 5,000 rupees. Is it clear? I hope so. Could not understand. இது என்ன balance? Credit balance. Clear?